Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Delta Flight HD coming with another video. And in this video, I'll be doing another model unboxing. This one of an NG model. There was one model in this box right here. So we'll just get right into it here with the unboxing. I already have the box already open. But we'll just there's just some wrapping paper in there. And then there's a sheet. I'm going to take that out. And here we have the model in here in some bubble wrap. And then we'll take that out and we'll put the back box to the side. And then we have, you probably can see it through there. We have the NG model. Hold on a minute. Trying to open this. There we go. All right. So we have the, there we go. The NG models Delta SkyTeam 737-800. Seen many reviews of this model. It's a great model of what I've seen, and I'm super excited to have it in my collection and see it for myself. So I'm gonna put you guys down and I'm gonna open the model up. All right, so here we are, and there it is in the cradle. Very, very nice. So yeah, and here is the model, and everything looks good on it. Yep. Very, very nice model. Looks very, very nice. Yeah, just a great model. The colors look great. I've never actually seen the SkyTeam plane in real life, so I don't know the exact colors, but this looks right to what it is in real life. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I'm gonna do a separate review for this model, so that will be coming out in the near future probably. Yeah, highly recommend this model. Looks great, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this unboxing. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye.